Hello and welcome to Davey Motor Group. My name is Ben. Today we'll be having a look at this 1996 Toyota Starlet Glanza. This vehicle has just recently been imported from Japan, now available in Geelong, Victoria. And it's in excellent condition, especially for being over 25 years old. Original paint, with a really nice metallic flake to it as well. And the only thing that's been done to this is we have recently put some brand new wheels on. Being the Glanza, it is powered by a 1.3 turbo engine. This vehicle is priced at $24,990 drive away, including 3 months of Victorian registration. Start by having a look in the boot, where this vehicle has got quite a bit of practicality. Got a privacy cover, nice sized little boot space, and the seats do fold down. Have a look inside. You've got power windows for the front, got one airbag, these nice very 90s looking seats, and you do have 3 seats in the back. With a little bit of storage for the rear seat occupants as well. Only 56,000 kilometers on this, so very low Ks, all original. And it does have the 2-mode turbo. Got your climate control. We have fitted a brand new radio to this with Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. 5-speed manual. And we do have the service history from when it was in Japan, as well as the auction certificate right here. Pop the bonnet. All original underneath, brand new battery, factory intercooler and factory turbo as well. Runs very beautifully, as it should, just like it came from the factory. If you have any questions about this vehicle, please do leave them in the comments down below. The vehicle will be supplied with 3 months Victorian registration, located in Geelong, Victoria. Shipping available Australia wide, with finance and trade-ins welcome as well. Thank you very much.